Online dating is not something new for us anymore. More and more people start giving it a try and then find their love on the internet, including myself. Some people seem to find their partner pretty quick through dating app or dating website, while for others, it takes them forever to find the best match to go on the first date with. For people that are struggling with finding love online and think that online dating is too competitive, then continue watching because I'm going to reveal with you some tough truth about finding love online in this video. Yes, online dating is competitive. That's the fact. However, if you're thinking of quitting finding your love online because there's too much competition, then this video is for you. At least finish watching this video before you decide to delete your online dating profile. First, let me tell you this. You aren't happy and fulfilled in your life. Indeed, your dating life as well. This is not my guess. This is the truth. The reason I know this is because how you do anything is how you do everything. When you quit online dating because it isn't easy, because it's competitive, because it requires work, time, and commitment, then you will treat other aspects of your life in that same way. Fulfillment and lasting happiness only come from hard work. When there's no input of hard work, there is no fulfillment. Online dating works. There are so many couples and marriages that have started from online dating. This indicates that it will work for you too. The competition factor is inevitable. There are so many people out there the same as you that want to find love online as well. And most likely, the great partner that you're looking for is someone that other people are looking for too. However, the right partner for you is the one that will choose you. Often, when I help people find love online and have them confess that they don't think that they can find the one because there are so many people on dating app or dating website, then I know this person is in a scarcity mindset. A scarcity mindset is where you believe that there will never be enough, that there's only one great partner out there, and if other people are also on dating app, then they may take your great partner away. In contrast to the scarcity mindset is the abundance mindset, which is a belief that there is more than enough for everyone. Other people will find love online, and so do you. I don't want to see you quit finding your love online because of the competition. Having a partner for support, companionship, and love is such an incredible lasting feeling and fulfillment, and I want to help you meet your great future partner and have an amazing love life. So let me help you first here by giving you more perspectives when it comes to online dating and competition. First, look at competition as a good thing. Great things, great products, great services are always on demand, which leads to competition. And this is true with online dating. There are many success stories of couples that have met online. That's why many people are now on the internet looking for love, including you. Your amazing future partner that you want to be in a relationship with is whom other people are looking forward to be in a relationship with as well. This is where you need to adopt the abundance mindset that there are plenty of great people online for everyone, and the person for you is the one that despite many people wanting to be in a relationship with, he or she chooses you and wants to be in a relationship with only you. Second, I want you to answer this question. Why do you want to have a girlfriend or a boyfriend quick? In other words, why do you want to rush finding a partner? What is your plan after having a partner? Often, we want to get things quick and forget about the results, the consequences of getting things fast. Great things in life take time. The things that you easily get or obtain are most likely not so great, and you value them less. When things require your work, time and commitment, you appreciate them more. The relationship you quickly get in is a relationship you easily get out. When you have to improve yourself, become a better version of yourself to attract an amazing partner, when you have to do the work, you will value your partner and that relationship more. When you face inevitable challenges in your relationship, you are likely to work with your partner to overcome the hardships. You will not give up on that relationship easily because of the work you have already put into that relationship. My advice to you is to enjoy the process of finding your love online. Don't rush it. Don't try to get a boyfriend or a girlfriend quick. Rather, you invest your time and your work now to find a good partner, then pay off the consequences of getting a partner quick later. And you may ask, what are the consequences of getting a partner quick? Well, besides you are likely to give up on that partner easily when things get hard, there's also the incompatibility between you and your partner that you have to live with because you didn't spend enough time to actually get to know whether your partner was a good match for you. This incompatibility can take up your time, give you a headache, and affect your health, your well-being, and your happiness. People end up living in an average life, an average love life, instead of living in a fulfilling and exciting one because they avoid the hard work, the challenges that a great life requires at first. Everything great in life, such as a great partner, a great relationship, or a great family, aren't easy. They all require work. Check out the video right here where I do step by step to help you find love online. With my help, guidance, plus your preparation and your patience, you will surely meet your great future partner through the internet. Thank you for your attention. I hope you reconsider your decision of quitting finding love. The fact that you're still watching this video tells me that you still have faith and are looking for your amazing future partner. Maybe not actively. I used to be in the same position as you are in right now. And what I learned is that you are just feeling tired and fed up with your unsuccessful love stories. So rest and give your heart and your brain a break. Being alive is too incredible, and having a partner by your side is too great to give up this soon. Check out my playlist for single people right here, where I help you to protect your heart from the wrong people and help you find your great future partner. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and also share it with someone that could benefit from it. Comment down below if you have any questions for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn the bell notification on so that you can enjoy more of my future videos on the topic of relationship, dating, and love. Have a great day, take care, and I will see you in my future video. Bye bye!